Subaru revealed its all-new fully electric 2027 Subaru Getaway at the New York International Auto Show 2026. Positioned as the brand's most powerful production model yet, the Getaway is designed to combine strong performance with family-friendly practicality. The 2027 Getaway introduces Subaru's next-generation EV design language in a spacious SUV format. At the front, it features a distinctive lightning signature with an illuminated 6-star logo, dynamic daytime running lights, and headlamps equipped with washers. These daytime running lights also double as charging indicators when the vehicle is plugged in. Practical design elements include sturdy ladder-style roof rails available on most trims, offering added cargo flexibility for longer trips. The side profile is clean and modern, with flush door handles improving aerodynamics. Depending on the variant, the SUV rides on 19 or 20-inch wheels. At the rear, a three-dimensional illuminated Subaru badge and unique lighting signature enhance its presence, especially at night. Inside, the Getaway offers a tech-focused and spacious cabin. 14-inch Subaru multimedia touchscreen comes as standard, paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Higher trims feature a large fixed panoramic sunroof, along with multiple storage spaces for personal devices. Comfort is a priority, with heated front seats standard, while higher variants add heated second, third-row seats, ventilated seating, and even a fully heated steering wheel. Connectivity is well covered, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto included. The SUV also offers two 15-watt wireless charging pads for front passengers and 4 USB-C ports for those in the rear. Safety is handled by Subaru's comprehensive EyeSight driver assistance suite included across all variants. The Getaway can seat up to 7 passengers with a second-row bench or 6 with captain's chairs, depending on the configuration. It offers 45.6 cubic feet of cargo space and 15.9 cubic feet even with the third row in place, making it highly practical for families. Performance is a standout feature. Dual electric motors produce a combined 420 horsepower, allowing the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, 8.3 inches of ground clearance, and the X-Mode dual system with various terrain settings ensure strong off-road capability. It can also tow up to 3,500 pounds. Powering the Getaway is a 95.8 kWh lithium-ion battery, delivering an estimated range of around 300 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for both daily use and longer journeys.